Hey, Hip Club Vlogs here. Um, Currently enjoying my start of the summer. I have Regents on Wednesday, but it's been a while. It's been over a year. Um, Decided to come back to this. Um, can't wait. Enjoying myself a nice sandwich. Yeah. If you didn't notice, I now got a dog. Hey, Delilah. This is Delilah. She's 5 months old. She's a Labrador. Mixed with a Lab and a Great Dane. Good dog, but very special. Man, look at those spots. Currently, I'm really not doing anything. Sariko. She's a very good girl. Yeah. Um, isn't much to this day. Um, let's turn on the TV, watch some television.
Which Fox News and many others have been following, but now we're hearing that he has been released. And of course, this comes, as you say, on the back of this visit by Dennis Rodman to North Korea. Dennis Rodman, of course, has visited the country twice now, and he was mocked at the airport on the way down. He left a cryptic message. It's not clear if he was connected to the release or if that had something to do with it, but he said that he was going there to open doors, and that President Trump was probably happy that he was there.
Man. I said 219. Good morning, football. As you should know, I'm a big football fan. Put on the football. Right to the... Huh? Talking about Kurt Warner right now. I don't think he was really as good as he said. I feel the same about Josh Norman too, but Josh Norman's all talk, He gets burned by every wide receiver. And he calls out Beckham, saying there's gonna be suspensions and you know. Well, if he was so good, why are you getting burned by every wide receiver? And why didn't you make the playoffs? You said you were going to make the team, get the team to the playoffs again, and look what happened. They missed. Pretty bad. Kirk Cousins is terrible. Josh Norman is terrible. All of them. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful day out. A bit warm out, but Good picture. Really, I don't know what to do. Mmm.
Open the seal pack and remove the pre-moistened Rainbrella towel. Just wipe on, wipe off. Now watch as the untreated side has little visibility in heavy rain, while the rain is no match for Rainbrella.
Rainbrella driving in the rain is no big deal. It's so easy to apply. Just wipe on and wipe off.
We even poured mud over this windshield. The untreated side is a mess, but the mud just rolls right off the Rainbrella side. That's because Rainbrella's
So, what you gonna do over the summer this year? I do swimming. You know, it was good. It's gonna be a good summer. Friend Kenny's gonna be hanging out. Expect more videos from Colin Troy the Geek. You know, it's good to be back on Rip Claw too. You know, I almost quit Colin Troy the Geek for this, but decided, you know, I wanted to go back to Colin Troy the Geek, quit this, and realize I could do both at the same time. Not one was supposed to be for gaming anyway. But, you know, I'm honestly thinking, you know, this channel is a good idea. Why not do both? What's your favorite sport, by the way? You should play it sometime. Just kidding. I probably don't see you. Oh, any of you. But Hard Knocks, who cares? They're not that good. Jeez. Jared Goff might be good, but they're still not going to be very good. Silly head dude. She's just sleeping. You know, I want to talk about my dog. This dog is very good. Only from, you know, I've only had it for like 3 weeks, but, you know, so I can't really sit still. I'm jittery, I'm happy. I have a good mood right now. Like I said, my favorite sport is football. I do a little bit of boxing. As you know, I have a boxing tutorials and more, which I'm going back to pretty soon. I took a break from YouTube, but all together anyway. You know, I couldn't do many videos. I was busy. You know, I struggled. Now, I'm not entirely quite sure how I managed to get this bored all of a sudden. There's nothing to do. You know, I'm watching the dog, that's not boring. But, you know, while the dog is sleeping, it's kind of boring, you know. The dog is passed out cold on the floor right now. See his muscles? No one got nothing on me. See that?
We got Scotty is going to guard KD. Ron Harper is going to guard Steph. Mike's going to have to guard Clay, which I think is going to be fine. But again, my ace in the hole is the Brogdon-Draymond matchup. I don't think Draymond wants anything to do with that psychological warfare. Give me this. You got Harper on Curry? Harper, yeah. Curry's chopping up.
I'm ripped. Past workouts. That's all I really gotta say, guys. I guess I'll see you. Bye.